Welcome back to Raching Cars, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, stunning modifications, and everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the modern marvel of 2025, the newly modified Maruti Suzuki Jimny. This compact off-roader has undergone a serious transformation, blending rugged charm with next-gen upgrades across every component. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Jimny now flaunts a wide body kit, giving it an aggressive stance that turns heads on and off the road. It's equipped with custom LED headlamps, integrated DRLs, and a redesigned grille with a matte black finish for a bold, urban off-road aesthetic. The stock bumpers have been replaced with heavy-duty metal off-road bumpers, and there's a winch system installed at the front for rescue-ready utility. The vehicle now rides on 17-inch black alloy wheels wrapped in chunky BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, enhancing both looks and performance. Under the hood, the Jimny retains its 1.5 LK15B petrol engine, but now it features a Stage 2 AQ remap, aftermarket air intake, and a free-flow exhaust system that boosts performance by around 20%. It also sounds meatier, thanks to the custom exhaust note. The suspension system has been upgraded with Ironman 4x4 lift kit, providing better ground clearance and improved off-road articulation. The 4WD system remains intact but now includes upgraded differentials and enhanced crawl ratios for extreme terrains. Inside, the cabin has been transformed into a more luxurious and tech-friendly space. The dashboard features a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Custom leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and aluminum paddle shifters add a premium feel. The steering wheel has been replaced with a flat bottom unit featuring audio and cruise controls. Sound deadening mats ensure a quieter cabin experience, and additional USB ports, wireless charging, and a dash cam system are now integrated seamlessly. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The modified Jimny is equipped with aftermarket parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring system, and upgraded disc brakes with ABS and EBD. A roll cage has been discreetly fitted inside for extra protection during extreme off-roading. That wraps up the complete breakdown of the modified 2025 Maruti Suzuki Jimny, a beast built for both the wild and the city streets. If you enjoyed this detailed look and want more such content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars, where we bring machines to life. See you in the next ride.